If you're getting ready to move from a four-bedroom house, one of the biggest questions is how much it will cost. The answer depends on a few key things, but having a clear idea ahead of time can help you plan confidently and avoid surprise expenses. For a local move, which usually means moving within the same city or nearby, the price is based on time. Movers typically charge by the hour, and the size of your home means more items to pack, load, and move. On average, moving a four-bedroom house locally can range from around $1,000 to a few thousand, depending on how much help you need and how long the move takes. If you're moving long distance, the cost is usually based on the weight of your belongings and how far you're traveling. A larger home usually means more items and a heavier load, so long-distance moves can range much higher. Things like stairs, specialty items, and additional services like packing or storage can also affect final pricing. Packing services can make the move easier, especially with a larger home, but they will add to the total cost. If you choose to pack yourself, start early and organize room by room to keep the process manageable. The best way to find an accurate estimate is to compare quotes from multiple professional moving companies. This gives you a realistic price range and helps you choose a mover that fits your needs, timeline, and budget. Planning ahead, knowing what to expect, and choosing the right mover can make moving your four-bedroom home a smoother, less stressful experience. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 8663-431-243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.